If you like having tools at home that make your routine a little easier, this dental kit is one of those things that's actually really useful. I've been using this dental kit set, and what I like right away is the variety. It comes with multiple tools in different shapes and angles, so you can reach those spots that are harder to get to with just a toothbrush. The material feels really solid too. They're made from stainless steel, so they feel durable and not flimsy, and the handles have a good grip so they don't slip while you're using them. I also like that everything comes in a case so it stays organized and protected instead of just being loose in a drawer. It's pretty straightforward to use, and having different tool options makes it feel more precise depending on what you need. I've even used some of the tools for things beyond just teeth, like small detailed cleaning, so they're actually pretty versatile. Overall, it's just a really practical set to have on hand if you like taking care of the little details at home and want something that feels well made and easy to use.